Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by locking down essentials. Pick WAV for quality or 48K HZ MP3 for smaller files. Set up a condenser or dynamic mic 6 to 12 inches from your mouth and enable low cut if needed. Once done, record a short test clip and inspect levels so peaks stay under -6 dB. Make sure to note timestamps for edits and open your DAW, create a project, set sample rate, and import your script as a reference track. Now you edit, remove long pauses and unwanted breaths, and keep pacing steady. Use spectral or manual removal for clicks. Apply a light compressor to even dynamics with moderate attack and release. Once done, shape tone with EQ, cut muddiness around 200 to 400 Hz, and add presence near 4 to 6K Hz. Make sure noise reduction is conservative to avoid artifacts, and use a soft limiter on the master bus to prevent clipping while preserving punch. Complete the project by exporting with proper specs. 16-bit WAV for archiving or 320 kbps MP3 for upload. Aim for about -14 LUFS loudness. Once done, craft title, description, chapters, and thumbnail that match the audio. Upload and verify playback in YouTube's preview. Check for sync drift and unexpected artifacts. If something goes wrong, revert to your archive WAV. Reopen the session and compare.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.